Venison Chef, and I'm going to show you that cooking venison is child's play. Today I'm going to show you how to make venison chili with venison mince. Here is our venison mince, which you get from your local farmer's market, or even better, go to our website pitsganleyfarm.co.uk and all of the details will be there. So, in this pan you've got our garlic, onions and our venison mince, which I've browned here. That looks good. Now I'm going to put in my peppers. I love peppers. And you're going to give that a good stir. Now I'm going to add in my kidney beans, which I've drained. There we go. Then you're going to give that another mix. There we go. So as you see, the kidney beans and the mince are all forming together. And that will become very nice. Now we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of lazy chili. Mommy loves lazy chili. So we're going to put in that. Me and my sister like it quite spicy. Going to give that another mix. And that smells nice. And now we're going to add in your passata sauce. Just going to pop all that in. And then you'll hear it sizzle over. Yep. And then we'll pop that in. And then you're going to give that a delicious mix. Look at that. That looks great. Now, you put it in to the baking oven for about 2 hours. And you're going to put the lid on. Lid on. And you're going to put it in the baking oven. Yep. And in we go. And here's one I made earlier. And this will be the finished result of our venison chili. Doesn't that look great? It is delicious. So, let's see that. Ooh, look at that. That's delicious. Well, that's my supper ready. Don't forget to tune in next week. Bye!